welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison. Today, you guys, I am here not with a tablescape, not with any type of shopping haul, not with a DIY, and not with any type of home decor, but I am here with a spring tag in hopes that you will get to know a little bit more about me. So this spring tag is part of a collaboration that is hosted by my beautiful sister Lady Cinnamon and I. Now, we did a fall tag and we enjoyed it so much, we decided we would come back with a spring tag in hopes that we would share and let you guys in to get to know us just a little bit better. There are 18 questions. At the end of the 18 questions, I will be tagging some other beautiful ladies in hopes that they will join in to help keep this tag going and to help spread some love, some joy, some fun during this spring season. And as I stated before, this is part of a collaboration hosted with my beautiful sister, Lady Cinnamon. Now, you guys, if you're not familiar with Lady Cinnamon, I will leave her information in my description box below. But before I do that and before I start my questions, let me just tell you a little bit about Lady Cinnamon. Now, you ever seen those athletes that no matter what sport they play, they are just awesome, amazing, wonderful, and just what you need on your team? In high school, I was an athlete. I played basketball, I played volleyball, I played softball. In junior high school, I did run track, but I didn't carry that over into high school. So was I like the #1 player? No, I wasn't. But was I good? Yes, I was. So with that being said, my sister, if we are in a basketball game and we are down by 3, no, we're down by 2. We need 3 to win. So I need her to make a 3-pointer. I get her the ball. She's going to give us that 3. She's going to bring us through. If we are on the softball field and the bases are loaded and she's up to bat and we need that grand slam, guess what? We're going to get the grand slam. And I say all of that to say this. No matter what area of this YouTube platform that she has been a part of, it's been amazing. Whether she is creating a DIY, a tablescape, a shopping haul, whatever it is that she is doing, it's amazing. Her DIYs, you are in awe. Her tablescapes, phenomenal. So please go over, pay her a visit, and shower her with so much love, as I am glad to know her. Now, let me tell you a little bit about myself in answering these questions here. Question number 1, favorite spring flowers. My favorite hydrangeas, yellow tulips, and double knockout roses. Love them. Love how they make the yard look. Love that bushiness of the hydrangea, especially when it is a full bush. Love them. Question number 2, theme park or beach. I love the beach when it's not really crowded. During the off season, husband and I kind of like to go around the May time frame when the kids aren't out of school yet. A lot of people haven't decided to go to the beach yet, and you can get a nice hotel room and right on the beach and just enjoy yourselves. That is my favorite, so I'm going to go with beach on that one. Question number 3, Favorite thing you like about the spring? Well, the thing I like about the spring is those cool, crisp mornings. Not too hot, just a really nice morning. Love it. Question number 4. Favorite spring beverage? I love cold coffee, but I also like those spring drinks that they bring at the, was it Starbucks? They usually have like the different types and flavors of teas. So, yeah, those are good to me. Question number 5. Are you a spring cleaner or a gardener? I love spring cleaning when you can open the windows, especially on Saturday mornings when you can just hang around the house and open your windows, mop your floors, clean your dishes, wash your clothes, fold them up, and just have your home smelling good once you're done with all of the cleaning. Question number 6. Favorite perfume or fragrance? I love Prada candy, and I got hooked because my younger daughter started buying it for me for my birthday, and she would always get it for me for birthday, Mother's Day, birthday, Christmas, and Mother's Day. So yes, they have the Prada candy perfumes have that sweet smell. It's not a musty, it's not strong, or it's just kind of like a sweet smell that has you smelling sweet all day, and I love it, and it lasts all day as well. Question number 7. Spring sports or spring shopping? Now I love sports, like sports. Let me change that around. I like sports, but I love shopping. So I am going to go with spring shopping. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, you don't have to have on a lot of clothes, especially if you pick that perfect spring day to go shopping. What a wonderful day it is. Question number 8. Picnics or cookouts? I love cookouts because when you can have family come over, family and friends, and you can just cook out on the grill and just have so much fun. Again, it's not too hot, it's not too cold, and the kids can run around and play, and you can just hang out and hang out in the yard and just have so much conversation and just enjoy yourselves out during the springtime for a good cookout. Question number 9. Favorite spring colors? I love like the pinks, the pastels, the light pinks, the lavenders, just those little soft colors for the spring. The lime green, those colors. Question number 10. Favorite spring activities? I love a good early morning walk when it's cool outside and you can get up in the morning and go for that walk that makes you feel so good all day long. It's like you can just breathe in that cool freshness in the morning, and it just revives your soul. I love it. Question number 11. Farmers market or the You Pick Farm? I love the farmers market so that you can not only just see fruits and vegetables and things of that nature. There are other things that are there as well that you can just enjoy the market, just kind of walk through and see the different fruits and vegetables and all sorts of honeys and spices and things of that nature. So a good farmer's market. But I don't mind going and picking like the strawberries or blueberries on the farm, but farmer's market wins for me. Number 12, pasta salad or fruit salad? I love them both. Yeah, just a good pasta salad, good fruit salad, delicious. Love them. Love a salad anyway. Number 13, favorite spring accessories? I love a light weighted scarf to have around my neck in the springtime. Sometimes you go into the stores or places and they have the AC on, and so I like to keep my neck warm when I'm out during the spring. A lot of times you may see me with a spring on, with a scarf on around my neck. Number 14, do you like the spring rain? Not so much. It's okay, but I could do without it. Number 15, travel for spring or staycation. I love staying home, being in the house, enjoying home, being able to clean when I want to, decorating, moving things around. You know, when you travel, you have to pack before you leave. You have to pack to come back home. You have to unpack once you get home. So for me, I would rather stay home and just enjoy home. Number 16, favorite spring dish to cook. Any type of pasta salad or pasta salads or types of bratwurst on the grill. Anything that I can do quick in the springtime. Not so much of a heavy meal, but just something real light, like a salad. So I'm good with that. Not necessarily to cook, but just something I can put together real quick and have it kind of healthy. Doesn't always have to be at the healthiest moment, but something quick. Number 17, anything you dislike about spring. Here in my area, for springtime, generally between March and May, we have a lot of spring tornadoes, and I could really do without the tornadoes. The horrifying feel, just not the unknown. When the tornadoes hit, you don't know where they're going to hit. Can be right next to you, and so just that horrifying feel of the tornadoes in the springtime. That's the part I dislike. Number 18, is spring your favorite season? It is one of my favorite seasons, and being fall is the other, because not so hot, not so cold, not having to have on so many clothes, being able to enjoy being out and about and just enjoying those seasons. So you guys, those are my 18 questions. I hope that you have learned a little bit more about me, and I hope that you enjoy the answers to my questions. And again, please go over and visit my sister, Lady Cinnamon. Visit her channel, as I will leave her channel information in my description box below. Now, the two ladies that I will be tagging, these two ladies, I have not known them very long, but like Lady Cinnamon and I, when we our paths first crossed, it was almost like not a clique, but we enjoyed each other. And with these two ladies that I am going to tag, and the first one is DNiceandFam, Denise over at DNiceandFam. She has a lovely family channel, her beautiful kids. You may find her doing some cooking, some cleaning, some shopping, a beautiful channel. Please go over and check her out. And Denise over at DNiceandFam, you have just been tagged. Also, the second person that I will be tagging is Thelma over at Simple Southern Reflections. I think I met her. Lady Cinnamon, I did a charcuterie board around the, and I may have met her before then, but this is the one thing that kind of, I did, because, but anyway, she joined in with us on the collaboration. And I thank her for that. And it's just, we've been showing love to each other. And so you guys have to go over and visit her channel. She's such an amazing person. Amazing content on her channel. Just a beautiful, beautiful person. beautiful channel. Her information is going to be also in my description box below. So you ladies, you've been tagged, and I'm going to go a step further. I have 3 other sisters who are part of the Daughters of Destiny. And ladies, you have just been tagged. And that is Creating with Miss Kaye, Debby Bubbles, and Shawni on the Spot. I will leave the 18 questions in my description box below. And if you ladies would like to participate, please feel free to do so. And let's keep this tag moving. Let's keep this spring tag moving. Now, for those of you, if you're new to my channel, again, I say welcome to you, and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you would love to become a part of this family here, it's easy breezy. All you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and tap that notification bell twice, so you will be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. And for those of you that are already a part of my family, you guys know that I love you, I appreciate you, and I thank you so very much. Lady Cinnamon, I thank you for allowing me to partake in this challenge with you, or this collaboration. You guys be blessed, take care, and enjoy. Thank you.